Christmas time is here, a time of happiness and celebration. Christmas is a major celebration in Malta, with traditions that are known around the world, like Father Christmas and the Christmas tree, traditions that were brought to Malta by the British. But there are older traditions, ones related to Christmas's main focus, the celebration of the birth of Jesus. Amongst the religious traditions, the Nativity Crib is a popular one in Malta. The Italian nobility introduced this tradition in the 17th century, with the first crib in 1617 at the Dominican convent in Rabat. One can still find a crib from 1826 at the St. Peter's convent in Mdina. Originally, these were built with a Sicilian design, but quickly a Maltese style appeared, with various original figures, like the singers, the weaver, the farmer, the fisherman, the baker, the sleeper, the astonished, the traditional musicians, and the climber. Traditionally, the crib was made of coal slag, and the figures from clay. By time, other cribs made of stone, papier-mâché, cork, and plastic started being made. Today, one can still find exhibitions of numerous cribs made of different materials, of mechanical cribs with moving parts and water features, and competitions in the towns and villages for the best nativity crib. Betlehem Għajnsielem is held every year in Għajnsielem, Gozo. This is a Christmas village representing Bethlehem, but with live Maltese characters showing traditional living. Maltese food and craft are sold in the market. Every year, this event draws thousands of spectators. It is one of the few events where one can appreciate traditional Maltese music. The statue of baby Jesus is often put in the crib on Christmas Eve, but some decorate the statue in a manger near the Advent wreath, with candlelight and vetches. This is grown out of wheat or grain seeds. Traditionally, it is planted on December the 8th, the feast of the Immaculate Conception, and left to grow tall and white in the dark until Christmas Eve. The Maltese Saint George Preka held Christmas close to his heart and aimed to proclaim the true meaning of Christmas. In 1921, he organized the first Christmas procession. Children from the Christian Society Museum walk around their village's streets with a statue of Jesus in a manger, fretwork lamps decorated with Bible verses, and flags with the saying Verbum Dei caro factum est, meaning the Word of God has become flesh. The children sing Christmas carols, accompanied by the village marching band. Traditionally, the Maltese bagpipe, tambourine, recorder, and friction drum were played all evening until midnight mass. Another charming tradition is the Christmas sermon, prepared by a child in the parish, commemorating the birth of Christ. A simple but joyful exclamation, ending with the words, "Long live baby Jesus." The chosen child receives a small figure of Jesus in a manger as a gift. The imboluta is drunk after midnight mass, a warm drink made of chestnuts, cocoa, cinnamon, spices, and citrus peels. Alongside the imboluta, a honey ring or two are eaten. The shkumvat, fried sugar dough, was a customary food that has been largely forgotten. A lot of the other foods associated with Christmas were brought over by the British, like the turkey, the pudding, and the mince pies. The Italian panettone is always popular. However, the Yule log is prepared differently here, with crushed biscuits, condensed milk, walnuts, almonds, cherries, and liqueur. During Christmas lunch, capon, a young male chicken, was eaten instead of the turkey, stuffed with garlic, parsley, and almonds, and served with roast potatoes and vegetables. Traditionally, Christmas also had superstitions associated with it, like the Irwiegel. These are weather forecasts for the new year, taken during the 12 days of Christmas. Thus, if it rains on December the 13th, the first day of Christmas, it's believed that the following January will be rainy. And if it's sunny on the 14th, then February will be dry. These are a few of the Christmas traditions popular in Malta. Beloved traditions and customs with food, music, and celebrations. But overall, Christmas brings with it precious family time and happiness to adults and children alike.